Ended up on a crossroad, try to figure out which way to go. It's like you're stuck on a treadmill, running in the same place. You got your hazard lights on now, hoping that somebody will slow down, praying for a miracle, won't show your grace. Had a couple dollars and a quarter tank of gas for that long journey. Said a truck pull over, asked an angel to help us out. He gave you direction, showed you how to read a map for that long journey. Said it ain't never over. Oh, we've been in the midst of doubt, so life is worth living. Oh yeah, said life is worth living, so live another day. The meaning of forgiveness. People make mistakes, doesn't mean you have to give in. Life is worth living again. Relationship on a ski slow, avalanche coming down slow. Does he have enough time for self? Is this love? It's like a blizzard in April, cause my heart is just that cold. Skating on thin ice, but strong enough to hold us up. Got us screaming hollow, put us both on blast, tearing each other down when I thought it was over. God sent an angel to help you out. He gave us direction, showed us how to make it last for that long journey ahead. Said it ain't never over. No, even in the midst of doubt, life is worth living. Oh yeah, life is worth living, so live another day. The meaning of forgiveness. People make mistakes, doesn't mean you have to give in. Life is worth living again. Oh, life is worth living again. What I get from my reflection is a different perception. What the world may see, they try to crucify me. I ain't perfect, won't deny. My reputation's on the line, so I'm working on a better me. Life is worth living. Oh yeah, life is worth living, so I live another day. The meaning of forgiveness.